Hello friends, today we are going to make a very simple recipe that is of a bhindi fry. Okay, so let's see what all we need for this. Well, I have made the preparation. Though this recipe is simple, but there are several tips and tricks which you need to follow, otherwise it would turn out to be slimy. Okay, so as we proceed further, I'm going to tell you all the tips and tricks. So what I've done is I've taken bhindi, or which is also known as okra in English. I've washed it a night before and I dried it. It should be completely dry before you cut. And then I have cut it into equal sizes. It's very important that the okra or bhindi should be cut into equal sizes because when you fry, all of them should be cooked equally. Otherwise, it would be unequal. Like some would be cooked and some would be uncooked. This is three small onions. I've cut it. I've just peeled off and cut it into four. Okay. Now I'll just remove the layers, or you can just put it inside as it is. And we have spices, the normal spices: salt, turmeric, red chili powder, and amchur. That's what we are going to use. Okay. So let's get started. In this skillet, I've taken 3 tablespoons of mustard oil and I've kept it to heat. Now once it is smoking hot, what I'm going to do is I'm going to put in all the okra or bhindi inside. Mix it up and fry properly, saute it nicely, and I've kept it at a high flame. Okay. Just mix it so that the oil coats all the okra or bhindi, and that's it, and leave it for 2 minutes. Do not try to mix it vigorously, otherwise it will start oozing out that slimy liquid. It's been 5 to 7 minutes that the bhindi has been frying. You can see how it started to change its color. Okay. So now at this stage, I'm going to add in the onions. Either you can just remove off the separate out onions pieces, just roughly separate it out, or you can just put it as it is because anyway in heat it's going to separate out by itself. And remember, still it is at high flame. Now we are going to add in the spices. Again, the spices, you have to be very calculative. The spices have to be according to your taste. I'm going to add in red chili powder, turmeric powder, This is amchur, a little more, and salt as per your taste. Now at this stage I am reducing the flame. Give it a nice mix. Let it cook for 5 to 6 minutes till all the spices are absorbed inside the bhindi and also the onions are translucent and it is little bit cooked so that the raw taste of onion goes away. And remember, it is at low speed now. In between, give a nice stir once. It's almost done. Just for 2 minutes, I'm going to keep more. Yes, I think it is done now. You can see that the onions also have lost its rawness. The bhindi is also properly cooked and all the spices seems to be incorporated inside the bhindi properly. So now off goes the flame. And here we have our bhindi fry ready to be enjoyed with a paratha or a fulka. I hope you have enjoyed this recipe. Please do like, subscribe and share. Thank you.